Good morning, fifth graders. Today we're going to get started with a poem. And the type of poem that we're going to be working with is called an I am poem. Now, an I am poem is also sometimes referred to as a bio poem or a biography poem. A bio poem or an I am poem is a narrative poem, so it's all about you. Therefore, it's also going to be told in first person, so you're going to repeatedly hear I am, I am. The bio poem is 3 stanzas long, and a stanza is just a paragraph of a poem. Bio poems are also free verse, which means that they do not rhyme and they don't have a set syllable or a word count. So I have some examples of I am poems that I'm going to read, and I want you just to notice some of the patterns. I am only human. I wonder how this all began. I hear worried voices. I see free birds flying. I want to run. I am only human. I pretend this isn't real. I feel my heart racing. I touch the sky. I worry it will never be the same. I cry when I think of you. I am only human. I understand this too shall pass. I say it doesn't bother me. I dream of sandy beaches. I try to relax and breathe. I hope to be there soon. I am only human. So one of the patterns you might have noticed is that the very first line of the poem in stanza 1, the I am only human, is repeated at the end of each of the stanzas. And each line starts with I. So I hear, I see, I want, I cry. Now that poem there was kind of having a very somber tone to it. It wasn't a playful or happy tone. This next one has a little more of a playful tone to it, so I want you to listen to that one as well. I am patient and kind. I wonder how giraffes can dance. I hear squirrels at my door. I see my cats playing. I want to lay in the sun. I am patient and kind. I pretend I can fly. I feel the warm wind on my face. I touch the clouds. I worry I may fall. I cry when I do. I am patient and kind. I understand a little. I say I want more. I dream of sandy beaches. I try to do my best. I hope to inspire others. I am patient and kind. So you're going to be using this same format to create an I am poem about you. You can choose to make it silly. You can choose to make it realistic. You do want it to be about you, though, so you're not telling it from somebody else's point of view. So on this page here, that's what you'll be able to use as your rough draft. And you can go ahead and you can fill in some of this information. But remember, with the I am, whatever you use in that first line, it's going to repeat at the end of each stanza. So once you're back in Seesaw, use this outline to help you a little bit to brainstorm some of your ideas. Remember, with a poem, you can always change things as you go. But this will be your rough draft. Later on, you'll be putting this information into a Google slide, which will be your anthology of different poems you work on throughout this unit. Good luck, and we can't wait to see what you come up with for your I am poem.